we are looking at how to pronounce the Latin or scientific name for this disease. Pneumocystis. Pneumocystis. Everyone pretty much pronounces it this way in English. Everyone agrees. Now the second word is more controversial. There's going to be different ways of pronouncing it, since this is a Latin word and has a lot of letters that can be pronounced differently in Latin or English. The most common pronunciation in English is probably as jiroveci or jiroveci. Jiroveci is actually more common. Pneumocystis, jiroveci. You would be rather safe pronouncing it that way. But some say it also, as I said, jiroveci. Some might pronounce it also as jiroveci, since a C in Latin, classical Latin, is generally pronounced like a K. But some might go more extreme into Latin pronunciation and say jiroveci also, jiroveci, because J can sound like a Y and V like a U. So you see, it's complicated. But if you say pneumocystis, jiroveci, you're pretty safe, in my humble opinion. I hope this was useful. Like this video if you found it useful. It helps me immensely. Thanks for your support, and more videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching.